Let's build this camera holder for an adventure helmet. This is the camera. It's the Insta360 Go 3S. I received it from Insta360, but I am not paid to do this video. I just requested them to send it to me because I wanted this little buddy. I really wanted this guy for my helmet. This is such an amazing little camera. It comes with infinite of different mounts and accessories, and one of them is this guy. And it's actually meant to be for a cap. But of course, riders came in and realized they can use it for visors. I didn't invent anything here. I just saw those pictures and then I was sold. I needed it. So you can just put it in with a magnet and it's really, really solid. So I just received this new adventure helmet. Problem is, the visor is not straight. So when I want to put the clip for the camera, it's not going to be centered and it's not going to be straight. Even if the camera has a 10-degree compensation, it's still not ideal. That's why I came up with the idea of fixing a holder inside and put the clip here. Let's go do it in the workshop. So I'm lucky enough to have a very messy dad that keeps a lot of things, and we found this piece of aluminium. We're gonna cut in it and create the form of the piece we want to mount the camera holder on it. We draw and cut the piece, and now we need to form it to fit the curb of the visor. Our piece is too low and doesn't let the clip to be inserted. So we decided to add these little foams to make it just slightly higher. Time to make the holes and place it. And we made holes in the right position. So we made a pre-hole for these guys. So first step, we did the hole in the visor. Second step, we just did the hole in this little foam plastic, just for the screw to have space. And then we did the hole in the actual metal, that is very soft metal, it's aluminium. We did the hole by hand, forcing a bit to have the screw going in and create the path in the aluminium. Am I straight? I think. We know. All always very smooth, delicate and elegant. Oh. So now that the metal piece is ready, I am now gonna do a hole with size 4 to fit our screws. So I'm gonna use this Wall spray, whatever this is, black matte. So I think it's gonna be a nice color. It's gonna work with my helmet, which is exactly the same color. Helmet is also black matte. Even if this is obviously not the most important because it's gonna be almost all hidden. It's just because we're picky. Perfect. Just applying a little bit of primer. My dad always comes up with really cool little tricks. Okay, let's check if it's kind of dry. We can do the other side. and then finally mount it back. And ready. Let's go ride.